Hello, it's Big Boy Bro, and before this video starts, I ask that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an epic upload like this one. This is a Black Blizzard highlights video, and I stream on Twitch from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. every day, or at least I try to. Pop in, follow, donate if you want to give me cash, and we'll have a good time. Thank you for listening, and enjoy. Hello everybody, and welcome to Geometry Dash. Today, we are going to be learning Black Blizzard and completing it. This is going to take us a while because this level is hard. Unless I magically beat it in like 2 weeks. We're going to warm up with my own personal challenge. I'm going to do it in one. Alright, so as you can probably tell from the title, I don't know if you were here last stream, but we beat Blade of Justice, and now we are trying Black Blizzard. I've already got 26% on it, which isn't too bad, considering that this level is first half heavy. Oh! Am I speedrunning every extreme? No, I'm going to be stuck on this level for a while. I'm not going to get lucky because 27 to 39 is I do not know the click patterns, and I suck at that part. I can't do it. I can't do it. So that's why I'm learning every other part of the level, besides that one. Yeah! Alright, watch this. Okay, you know what? I know how to play this beginning. Let's just get straight into learning it. Let's see if I can make it to the duel, because I haven't learned the duel yet, to be honest. There we go. The problem is, like, with that duel, I'm like 100% positive most of the time that I messed up somewhere. And that gets to me, and I'm all like, I'm dying. Alright, we know that part then. We know how to do that part. Okay, third time's the charm, third time's the charm. Okay, alright. Okay, alright, buddy. Nice reaction. Bro, I'm dead. Okay, so for that ship and ball part, you have to hold the first click a little bit, and then you click 3 times after that. Yeah. Oh, why were my ships like that? No! You have to do 1, 2, 1 hold, 2 let go, 2 let go, 3, 4, wait, no, 3, okay, 1 hold, 2 let go, 3 let go, 4 hold for a little bit, and then 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the pattern. That is the pattern. Yes, that's the pattern. Your Honor, I was balling. I'm balling right now. See, look, the ball game mode, guys. The base cave 2. No. With the cube, dude, the cube. It didn't. Hey Nathan, what does Mr. Shun think of Black Blizzard? Mr. Shun says, ah. Oh, and it better not say long night. Otherwise, that's an instant ban. Oh. Ah. Oh, did you guys see my way? I want to watch that back. What? Yeah. Let's go. No. No? Yes. Alright. You know what? Oh my. It's not that. Oh. Wow. Why? I panicked.
Hello.
Oh no, Nathan Miller.
Alright, I just got here, but I'll be right back. My food is ready.
Oh, the finger, Nathan, my finger. Kid named Finger.
I think I start learning second now.
Really?
Sidestep. It'd be crazy, bro. Sidestep just to coop in hell. I had like a Sigma moment today, right? So in computer science class, the teacher's having us watch this like documentary, The Dangers of Social Media and stuff. And this group of freshman boys think they're the stuff, right? They think they're so funny. Every now and then they'll just play some random ringtone on their phones, because they think that's funny for some reason.
Alright.
Like the Apple ringtone. They just play it out of nowhere. So the third time they do something, the entire class is silent. I just go, hey guys, there's a switch on your phone that silences it. I want you guys to know that. And as soon as I said that, they just stopped and they looked so scared of me. And then after lunch, everyone was like thanking me. They were like, "Yeah, bro, that was sick." Yeah,
You are actually like God at your school.
I phrased it a lot more aggressively. I don't remember exactly what I said.
I have to use my spacebar for this part. It's just kind of annoying, but it's okay. Nathan, this impossible part of Black Blizzard, it's starting to become not impossible.
You should get that checked out.
It's become.
I used to be scared of water.
I still am, because every now and then I imagine like there's a shark in the water, and I'm all like, ah! I had a strange dream last night that Viprin released a memory level called Mastermind, and I tried it on my phone and nearly one attempted it. I don't even remember what I dreamed about today. It was probably about her.
Same. Dang, that's a.
Oh my gosh! Oh. Now the thing is, am I gonna get lucky on it, or am I gonna die over and over?
Alright, why is this part suddenly hard for me?
Because I'm hard. That's why.
Ah!
If I make it to 39, you have to give me $1 billion. No. I wonder if I have an interesting school story I can tell you. One that comes to mind is that I remember hearing about a freshman that punched the vice principal in the face.
That's awesome.
I think I'm being rated because, one, I'm probably one of the only people still streaming Geometry Dash to this day. And two, I'm playing an actual interesting level.
This guy looks stupid as hell. Let's rate him.
You know, you are simultaneously both the devil on my shoulder and the angel. Oh, you're supposed to be able to come. I clicked the blue orb and it killed me. Dude.
Yeah.
I did it actually.
Please, doctor. I beat sidestep.
What?
Or Geometry Dash. Barbarous orders. I mean, doctors.
Alright, so this is stream 2 of Black Blizzard. I've gotten really consistent in some parts. This is literally the most difficult thing I've ever done in an Extreme Demon. This part right here. Why are you playing GD right now? Skrillex just dropped his album. Nathan, I don't care. I don't know why I did that. Hey, Nathan Miller, you're stupid. I just wanted to say that. Again, Nathan Miller. He keeps killing me, dude. He keeps killing me in this game. Why do you keep doing that, Nathan? Stop! You can click that green orb too late. Wow, I didn't know that. Oops. Okay, 63 to 97. I'll take it. Oh my gosh, why? We can hear your mouse, bro. That is a very important thing. You're supposed to be able to hear my mouse. Tell me 100 reasons why you want your money. Okay, reason number 1, I want your money. Reason number 2, I want your money. Reason number 3, I want your money. Reason number 4, I want your money. Reason number 5, I want your money. And reason 6 to 100 is because I love you. I mean, I am gonna die here from 0, and it's not gonna be a good day. Yay! Alright, let's actually do from 0. See if we can get a new best. That'd be nice. Yeah! Oh, alright, there we go. Good job. Wow, good job, me. Alright, yeah! Alright, so I got eggs with sliced up hot dogs in them. It's so good. It is so good.
I was chilling in a first period language arts English class. Teacher was teaching some garbage I didn't want to listen to. Me. Suddenly remember Skrillex's album dropped. Instantly pulls out my AirPods, put them both in, stops listening to what anyone is saying, listening to a Skrillex's album, and I start flipping out, bro. It's not fair. I'll never be as good as him.
Is it better than the Nathan Miller album?
Yes.
What?
No.
Oh, okay, alright.
Yes.
Yeah. What?
Yep.
I did what I was supposed to do, and I died. This Black Blizzard is being very black. Hi, Razori. Hello.
Huh?
Wait. I didn't mean to. Oh. Oh my gosh. I have a joke for you.
Okay.
Why did the toilet paper roll down the hill?
Because it is a cylindrical object, and when a cylindrical object picks up a velocity of a downward motion, it will continue rolling until friction is applied to it, causing it to stop. That wasn't really funny.
I just server muted him. Okay, you're unmuted. What? You're unmuted.
What have I done?
I am currently falling in love with you as we speak.
Aw, you make me blush.
And click the button below. Ignore escape. No! I have a funny... Bro, I'm dead. After 9 circles, you should do 10 circles. No, Nathan, don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. My ship ran out of gas. Math equation. There's a child on the sidewalk. Who will get to the child first? The pit bull, the drunk driver, or the man in the white van? Well, determining the velocity of the white van in motion, it could be going slow, scouting for the children. But the pit bull can also run really fast, almost faster than the van. The drunk driver, however, is probably going the fastest due to his inability to see the numbers on his dashboard telling him how fast he's going. The drunk driver will hit the pit bull on the road and then get to the child.
If they all get a piece of
Okay, so go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, and tell your family about me, and gift card giveaway. Alright, so we're gonna be playing Black Blizzard today, and my goal for today is to get to the drop. Yeah, if I don't fluke this drop from 0, like, it's gonna be a bad day for everybody. Insane run, dude. Right, okay. Crikey. Fiddlesticks. Ooh, chance. No, I knew. There we go. Alright, now we beat the level, dude. We got past that blue orb. We did not beat the level. Cap. No. And now I clicked too early. What do you do there? What do you do there? I did the dumb green orb. I didn't click it, dude. I didn't click it. I was right there. At the drop. Well, we did get a new best, but that's not the drop, dude. That is not the drop. Yeah. No. 38%. We died to the dumb, stupid blue orb click. Ugh. Hey, David, how do you say Black Blizzard in Spanish? Tormenta de nieve negra. No. Black Blizzard. 2 words. That right there is 4. That doesn't add up. It doesn't make any sense. What is okay, you guys can stop saying what is dementia. You look familiar. Really? That's so strange. Because I've never heard about you before in my life. Wait, I know who you are. You're the guy that made Bucky's Grounds Part 1. Scary and Deaf Fun. Sub and maybe Part 2. Alright, dude. I will subscribe. I just subscribed. Oh my gosh, the streamer is actually struggling with the level and you're making it worse by like telling them that they suck? What? I got banned? No way. Guy. Yeah. Where did I just do that from? 25% to 98? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna end stream. But if I take VTO and come back from Wendy's and then I start streaming again, will you join the call?
I will say though, like, it does take you a second to like read the chat that I sent because it doesn't appear for you. Let me see my subscriber count.
What? 10 million? Whoa, no way, dude. I can't believe you got to that number. Alright. Let's open my chest.
What'd you end up eating? Or what did you get?
Wendy's. I got Wendy's from Wendy's. It was so delicious.
And nutritious.
No.
Or like the whole crowd where they go like,
oh.
Sass.
Oh.
What are you doing? Or well, I guess I technically could turn you up and she could be able to hear your voice.
Yeah, but like she would not respond to it. That's literally the thing.
Try it.
Hi, Oakland. I'm beating Black Blizzard right now. Do you like Black Blizzard? Oh, wow. She was... Oh my gosh. I hate that part so much. I was too high up. Oh my gosh. I didn't make it. What? What? I did the perfect. I think I jumped too late. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay.
I just now saw that. Oh, you died.
Shut up. No, 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 no. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I don't want to play this game anymore. I don't want to. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm done. I'm freaking done. Okay. What? Okay.
You have a Easy Demon Blood Lost remake and an Easy Demon
56.
I can
65. I'll take it. I'll take it, dude. I will take that. We made it to that part. We can do the level. We can do it. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for sticking around. Thanks for watching. Bye. The video's okay, so it is 12:20 a.m. right now. I literally just got 81% on Black Blizzard. I just wanted to catch this on stream, just in case I beat it tonight. I'm going to show you a magic trick. All right, look at this, look at this, look at this. You see this? All right, bing. All right, they're locked, right? They are locked, okay? I'm going to put them behind my head. Ice Cave? Why does that name sound familiar? Wait, hang on. Why does that name sound familiar? I gotta look up something real quick. Are you that guy? Are you that guy? I gotta check this out for myself, dude. Oh! It is that guy. Okay. I don't know why you're here, but you just like made my entire mood. You can definitely beat this, by the way. Yes, I thank you for the support. Alright, check this out, Ice Cave. This next attempt is for you. Alright, we gotta get to the drop because Ice Cave is here. The only complaint I have about Nefes's Oblivion video, I uploaded my Blade of Justice video like a couple hours before and I was like, yes, this Blade of Justice video is gonna juice. And then I wake up after a nap and I see that Nefes is premiering that video. I'm all like, it's over. It's over. Thanks for the follow, man. Oh, you're so cool. Dude, this guy's so cool. He's so cool. My hardest is Layak. Still trying to jump to Wazareta. Yeah, good luck with that. I mean, if you actually beat it, then, like, wow, that's really good. But until then, like, just keep trying. But until then, I have the harder demon. Imagine God joins the chat. That'd be pretty cool, actually. I wonder what he would say. He would be like, I bless you with the power to beat Black Blizzard. My favorite level in the game. This is stream number 6 of Black Blizzard.
Are you streaming the level that's about the blizzard that is in fact the opposite of white?
Alright, thank you everybody for joining my stream. Alright, we're gonna take a look at this demon list. I started playing in August, Geometry Dash. Alright, so this was when Tartarus was number 1. Where is Artificial Ascent on this list? It's on here somewhere. I didn't realize how hard Black Blizzard actually was. Like, this level was hard. I always thought, like, BTD3 was a pretty hard level. Black Blizzard is harder than that, and I'm just like, what the heck, dude? I can barely get anywhere on BTD3. There's quantum processing. Where's Artificial Ascent? There it is.
Let's go quantum processing!
Okay, so then after Artificial Ascent, my next extreme demon that I'm going to go for is Delta Interface. I want to have Cybernetic Crescent under my belt. I know it's not the hardest thing in the world, but like that is the level that's probably gotten me into GD the most. Don't repeat any of those things because we all
I honestly, I'm always...
I'm gonna be real with you. I'm not a big fan of like when people like beat extremes, they say the same thing over and over again.
If you were like told that you had to choose one person on Earth to die, like you had to choose, no one would know that you chose them or that like you had something to do with it.
I know who, but I don't want to say. There are 17 items in my bed that go under a certain brand name. What are they?
Home Depot.
What? I jumped over the blue. It's not. It doesn't want to. Oh, my finger. It locked. It locked. Oh man, I died to a straight fly. Ah man, I died to that blue orb click. Oh, that blue orb. Oh. That blue. I swear that blue. How many push-ups can everyone do? Splixie can do 35. I can do 25. It's not that much, but it's something. I have an idea. Alright, guys. I need you to see something. Okay. Hi, guys. Hello. You want your chest preferably to touch the ground. I want to see this picture for myself. Here, let's show this on stream, actually. Look at this guy. I mean, woman. How's body training? I don't know, Razor. You want to answer that? Oh, I had a brain fart. No.
Your brain farted? Ew.
Oh, I didn't click late enough. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh, I held for too long. Oh. Why? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Why do I die there? Why? I did. Oh my. I didn't click the 5th time. I did not click. God damn it. Oh, I should have made it past there, dude. I literally should have. I just can't do this level. Yeah, okay, why does that happen? Why? That blue orb is impossible. No. Oh my god, dude, oh my god. $96.
And everything, but I got the gun to. Where's my gun gonna be? I have no idea. Probably where I dropped it. All right, here we go. Take 2.
Guys.
Here we go, baby. Let's
Guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's over. I have a message. My heart is racing right now. Guess what this is? Guess what this screen is? That's right. Boom. Bing. I beat Black Blizzard. I was watching Markiplier. It's not a 9 out of 100 enjoyment, like I was saying last stream. However, it's not also that high up in terms of enjoyment. 39 to 100 is some of the best gameplay ever. It could even extend to 25. That is also really good. It gets consistent. Everything behind 25% that was garbage. Level-wise, yeah, this is the best level I've played. 95 out of 100. I might not enjoy it, but this is an objectively good level. That was my Black Blizzard journey. Has this ever been done before? I mean, obviously it has been done before. Jump from a new hardest to another new hardest in a week. Artificial Ascent is next. Thank you for watching. Bye.